Okie dokie, my last errand of the day. About 3:30, so go to Newhaven, pick up my friend's car, drive up to Lewes, pick her up, she'll drive back, bit of experience, and it'll probably be dark by the time I'm driving back. So the last part of this video will be a bit of nighttime driving, which I have done yet actually. I've done it locally, but first time seeing how bad the headlights are with no street lights. So yeah, we'll see. Sorry if the video's a bit shaky. I'm cold and shivering, and I have no heater, so luckily my friend's car does. So yeah, let's get going. Let's see if she starts now. She's been left for a few hours. A little bit choke. I don't need too much, I wouldn't have thought. Maybe a bit more. There we go. Right, off we go. Oh dear, it's definitely colder in here. So, driving lesson all done. As you can see, it has got quite a lot darker. So, it's not as dark as I expected though. We will put lights on and drive home again. Section of road that's un-street lit, but obviously it's not dark enough for you to see, but you can notice all you've got on the floor, on the ground in front of the car, is two blobs, which is reminds me of my old Entry, the one I had like 20 odd years ago, and I used to drive from Shoreham to Eastbourne, so that's 20-25 miles probably. And yeah, the lights were just as bad. So in the middle of winter, when it's pitch black, and you've got these two little blobs on the floor, on the ground in front of the car. It's not very helpful in terms of headlights. It's really windy out here. It's really windy out here. As you can tell, it is quite windy, and yeah, I heard a bit of a pop and saw something fly by the rear window, and it turned out to be the rear wing of the car. So oops, I think I might have to go and collect it. Right, I've parked around the corner from roughly where I think it came off, so let's go and see if we can find it. Oh, that could be it. There's something over there. I'd be surprised if it made it that far. There's nothing really up that side, so wow, if that was it, it made it a long way. Oh, it is. It took out a diversion sign as well. That's impressive. Okay, well, the wing itself appears to be intact. The rear light, however, not so much. Guess we'll live to see another day. Maybe I'll use some bigger washers. You can see that's actually ripped the fibre. I mean, it's fiberglass. It's ripped the fiberglass out.